Okay, Tom. Let's start with the morning. For many students, the morning is the hardest part of the day.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Waking up early is not easy.
So, Tom, tell us, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m., but to be honest, I don't get up immediately.
Ah, really? What do you do?
I hear my alarm and I say, 5 more minutes.
The famous 5 more minutes.
Yes, but 5 minutes becomes 10 minutes and sometimes 15 minutes.
That's very true. So, do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use my phone as an alarm. It rings loudly every morning.
Do you wake up easily?
Not really. Sometimes I feel very sleepy and I don't want to leave my bed.
Same here. The bed is warm and comfortable.
Exactly. Especially in winter, it's very hard.
So, finally, you get up. What do you do next?
First, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly. Brush, brush, brush.
Good. Hygiene is important.
Then I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water. Okay,
Yes, it wakes me up very fast.
that's a good trick.
After that, I take a quick shower. Not too long, maybe 5 minutes.
Why a quick shower?
Because I don't have much time in the morning.
What about getting dressed?
Sometimes that is difficult.
Why?
Because I don't know what to wear. I stand in front of my clothes and think, this or that.
Haha, classic problem.
Yes, but usually I choose something simple. Jeans and a t-shirt.
Now let's talk about breakfast. Do you always eat breakfast?
Yes, I try to eat every day. Breakfast gives me energy.
What do you usually eat?
Something simple like bread, eggs, or cereal with milk.
That sounds healthy.
Sometimes I just drink coffee if I am late.
Ah, the student life. So, after breakfast, what happens?
I prepare my school bag. This is very important
Why?
because if I forget something, I have a problem at school.
That's true.
So I check my books, my notebook, my pens.
Do you check your homework?
Yes, I always check my homework. Twice.
And then you leave the house.
Yes, sometimes I am on time, sometimes I am late.
Haha, honest answer.
Yes, when I am late, I walk fast, very fast.
Like running?
Almost running.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school.
Great job! Here's a small tip. Try to speak English in the morning.
Yes, you can say, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to school.
This is a great way to practice English every day.
If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Bridge for more easy and fun English practice. I'd also love to hear from you. Write your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer and help you.